Hi loves, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I am doing a drugstore haul video. So I did pick up some really good drugstore products as well as replenish some of the ones that I really like. So I just wanted to kind of share those with you guys. So to start things off, I did get the Black Radiance Contour Highlight Palette, and I actually started off my channel with this palette so a little over a year ago, and I went back to it because honestly, like, the product works really well. I love the quality of the shades that they have in this palette. I think it's like $10 retail, so you honestly can't beat that for a highlight, contour, and sort of like sculpting shade as well. So I use the sculpt because it's so close to my natural skin tone. I use it just to line in my closures a lot of the time. So honestly, it's a great way to get value from something that's so inexpensive. I did also get this Black Radiance Cream Contour Stick. So I really wanted to get into more so like contour sticks, contour creams, because I use a lot of powders. I do use some creams, but they're usually like the ones that you have to like squeeze out of a tube. So I wanted to try a stick this time around, and I got this in the shade Espresso. And this is just like a really rich, beautiful chocolate color, so you guys can see that. So pretty deep, and then I'll just swatch it. Yeah, so pretty chocolate, but it's really, really creamy. So I think it's honestly going to blend pretty well. So I'm excited to try that out. And what I actually just noticed about this is that on the other side, there is this cute little brush. Like, how fun is that? So yeah, if you're like on the go and you need to kind of like touch up your contour or just like do a quick contour, you have this little guy with you. So that's nice. Mine did also come with like a little $2 off coupon when I got it from Walgreens. So be on the lookout for that as well. That kind of gave me even more incentive to try it because I got to save $2, and I think it was already like maybe like $8 or $9 or $7 or something like that. I did also pick up a Drugstore Foundation. So I'm really excited about that because I don't think I've done a drugstore foundation since I've started my channel. So I was a huge drugstore foundation girl, like the whole beginning of my 20s and of course in high school. And then I felt like every shade that worked for me, like the company would change the shade just slightly, and then all of a sudden it was either too light or too dark, or they would change something about the sort of like undertone foundation of the foundation itself, and so that would mess with my undertone. So it would either show up too gray or too orange like once it dried down, and so I kind of stepped away a little bit. But yeah, so I'm really excited to get back into a drugstore foundation, you guys. And this little baby, this Revlon Colorstay in the shade Caramel number 400, is actually the foundation that I'm wearing right now. So it is actually looking pretty promising for drugstore products in 2020. I have a video on this look, you guys, just kind of walking you through some of these products that I used as well. Oh, and then this is also the combination oily skin one as well, because they have a different variety depending on your skin type. I have oily combination skin, so I'm also hoping that that will be a lifesaver. I did also re-up on my L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. So I've deviated away from this mascara a couple times in 2019, and honestly I keep going back to it because so many times like the formula of other mascaras don't really work for me too well, or the brush size or the wand and things like that don't really work for me. So if you guys know of any other good drugstore mascaras, please let me know. But I just went ahead and just repurchased that because, you know, if it works, it works. So I also got this cute little blush by Maybelline. So this is in the shade Wine, and I'm really excited to try it because I haven't done a lot of blush for my makeup looks so far on my channel. So I'm excited to do more so just like an everyday foundation makeup look and then incorporate some blush in there. And I wanted something that would show up on my brown skin but would still look very soft and very natural, since soft glam is in right now. So yeah, I'm excited to try this little guy out. Guys, I love concealers. Like, they make or break a look, honestly, and I think a good concealer can make up for an okay foundation, to be honest with you. So I did purchase some more of my Makeup Revolution concealer, and this is in the shade C12. If you guys watch my videos, you know how much I use this for my, usually like my lid foundation when I'm doing like a bright, colorful eyeshadow look. I love to also incorporate this just directly under the eyes as well when I'm doing my highlighting, just because it creates a nice sort of light to medium light gradation without making my whole face super bright. I did also buy some more of my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, and this is in the shade Golden Honey, and you guys know I use this for so many of my videos because the color of this is amazing. It is a warm toned concealer that complements my undertone because I have warm to like golden undertones, and so this guy is my all-time favorite. He's amazing. I actually ended up getting this e.l.f. concealer, and this guy, you guys, this is the 16-hour Camel concealer, and this is in the shade Deep Olive. And let me just tell you guys, like, I also use that for this look, and when I say that this honestly works really well, like very similar to this, they're honestly very similar in color as well. If you guys can see that, it won't. There we go. Very similar in color as well. But this guy, I'm pretty sure was like either $4 or $6. I cannot remember, but this is probably one of the cheapest concealers you will find on the market. And honestly, I think it might be one of the best, you guys. Like, when I tell you, like, you need to try this, try it, because it's so cheap, but it works so well. And then for my last concealer, I did the Milani Concealer, and this one is in the shade Warm Tan. So this one, not as warm as the previous two concealers that I purchased, but still warm enough, I believe, to not show up as like gray on my skin or too light or anything like that. And this one definitely costs more than the e.l.f. one, but I'm not sure if it's the same price as the NYX or if it's slightly more or slightly less. I think this one was maybe about like $8.99 or something like that retail for me, but I basically wanted to try it because I've seen really good things said about this concealer. So, you know, I wanted to mix it up a little bit. I love Milani. They do a great job of catering to brown skin and, you know, giving us product selections that complement our skin tones and are also good quality and affordable. So yeah, I'll let you guys know how I like this as well, but I definitely picked that one up too. I did get a cute little brush, so I'm always on the lookout for a sale, you guys. You know, we're trying to save money in 2020. So I got this cute little makeup, Real Techniques makeup contour brush. So if you guys can see how beautiful that is, like, it is an angled contour brush, and I have been on the lookout for an angled contour brush since last year, but I didn't want to spend a ton of money on one, so I was like, hold off. You have plenty of brushes. It's okay. But I'm so glad I did because I found this one, and I think I paid like $7.99, so like $7 or $8 for this brush, you guys. It was on sale at Ulta. So, and I honestly love how thin the tip is, if you guys can see that. So I'm really excited to try that one out. That will be probably in the next video. And then I also wanted to mention this one as well from Real Techniques. So I did not purchase this one this time around. I got it towards the tail end of December, but and you guys probably also saw it in like my last video of 2019. But look at how beautiful and fluffy this brush is. It is like a large powder brush. And I bring this one up, you guys, because I got it for $3.99. This brush retails at like $11 and I got it for $4. So this one I got from Walgreens. So, and then I did also pick up some lip products as well. So I got the NYX Butter Gloss, and this is in the shade Maple Blonde. Their lip glosses are amazing. I'm wearing a different one of their lip glosses right now. I can't remember the shade of this one, but I can also let you guys know that if you are curious. I wanted to get like a really soft, pretty, pigmented pink one, you know, just for the days when I don't want to do so much color on the face, but I just want like a touch of color for the lips. And then I also got another lipstick as well from Maybelline. So this one is in the shade Raw Chocolate. That's gorgeous. Like, that's such a good shade if you want just like a little bit of color on the lips, but you don't want to go too deep. I think with just like a clear gloss, this is going to be really pretty. So I'm excited about that. And you guys, I'm so sorry. I forgot to swatch the concealers for you. But yeah, so that's all I've got for you guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this drugstore haul. Definitely let me know what some of your favorite drugstore products are as well, because I want to definitely, you know, continuously purchase more drugstore products. I'm always looking for some favorites. Don't forget to comment as well in regards to your thoughts on this look, the products. If you have any questions about anything, I am here for you guys. But yeah, so I will talk to you in my next video. But have a great day, everyone. Bye.